again. We are going to show some interesting applications that we can use our circuit to develop alarming systems.
Those applications are the most interesting ones that people want to have to use our circuit design to help with safety.
As John mentioned, those applications are the top priority to many people on their own assist, and they are always having problems with the codes of storm that affect their lives so badly. But now, if they are start to use our design, definitely they will find worthy and reliable to help them save their own asset.
We applied our circuit on 3 major applications to ensure safety and quality to satisfy our future customers to use our design on their own life.
But now, if they are start to use our design, definitely they will find worthy and reliable to help them save their own asset.
This simulation video that's showing the application that using embedded system designed to control the sunroof closing automatically when start raining. The second application is using the circuit to operate a DC motor that can be used to move objects to close the cover of the top swimming pool.
We mentioned early in the circuit design that we need a relay to control the DC motor operation. So when the circuit detects rate, it will operate the DC motor to move objects like swimming pool cover and cover the top of it.
And the third application that we used our circuit design to operate a DC motor to control a DC electric cylinder to retract and automatically close the window or skylight. We basically designed a simple circuit that controlled by the 3 push buttons. As you see, when I press the red button, it will start to extend the DC cylinder to open the window. When I press the yellow button, the cylinder starts to retract and close the window manually.
When I add water drops on the sensor, the circuit will control the cylinder to retract and close the window.
We have the circuit assembled in this control box. We put our circuit in this enclosure box. This is the OBD cord with a connector, and this cord is a power supply that's plugged in the vehicle. Now, let's move to the vehicle and start our project demonstration. We will start to test the circuit in this vehicle F-150 year 2020. First thing, before we start to test the circuit, I will open the sunroof and the moonroof manually by pressing the push button. We are going to use this device reader to access CAN bus network inside the vehicle. It has Wi-Fi to connect with OBD adapter. This is the OBD adapter that goes into the vehicle female connector in the front of the driver's seat, as you see down here. Before we start, we are going to connect the OBD adapter with the device. As you see here, this device has different options for connection, but we are going to use the Wi-Fi. This is the BOC menu, the basic operation control menu. We navigate through the menu to check for safety and setting. On the setting menu, using the code firmware, we select the J number that controls the closing switch of the sunroof. Now we can save the code setting and download it to the vehicle to set the new PIN number. Now we safely close all open menus and exit the system and close the program and turn off the device. And of course, we remove the adapter.
After we have done with the firmware setting, we start to use our circuit embedded design. We plug in the power cord to energize the circuit. Then we are going to plug in the OBD adapter to the vehicle to connect with the CAN network. As you see, as soon as we plug in the OBD adapter, the red light comes on to ensure connection. Now we are going to test the circuit with water drops on the sensor. Wow, amazing! As all you see, the circuit is successfully working and start to send an immediate signal to close the sunroof, and the alarm goes off simultaneously with the sunroof.
If you are interested in our project and design, you can find us on
LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, X Twitter, and YouTube.
Follow us on YouTube channel Go Smart to explore our new projects and design that help to improve safety and security. You're welcome anytime to visit our channel and discover our products and much more.
Thanks for watching our video and feel free to contact us for any help needed.